In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a meeting link in Microsoft Teams. We'll walk through the most common ways you might need to grab a meeting link, so you can quickly share it with coworkers, clients, or classmates, even if they're not very familiar with Teams. I'll explain what you're seeing on screen as we go, and I'll also point out a few small details that can save you time later. First, let's start from the Teams desktop app or the web version. Open Microsoft Teams and look at the navigation bar on the left side. Here, click on the calendar icon. This takes you to your Teams calendar, which shows all of your scheduled meetings, very similar to Outlook. Find the meeting you want to share. You can scroll through your calendar or use the arrows at the top to switch between days or weeks. Once you see the correct meeting, click on it once to open the meeting details window. You should now see information like the meeting title, date and time, and the list of participants. Inside this details window, look for an option that says something like Copy Link or Get Link. In many layouts, you'll see a link icon or a button labeled Copy Meeting Link. Click that button. Teams will automatically copy the full meeting URL to your clipboard. You won't see a big confirmation message, but you can now paste that link anywhere you need. In an email, a chat, a document, or even another app. If you're already inside a meeting and decide you want to invite someone on the fly, you can copy the link from within the meeting itself. At the top of the meeting window, look for the toolbar and click on the People or Participants icon. A panel will open on the right side. Near the top of that panel, you'll see an option like Share Invite or Copy Meeting Link. Click it, and again, the link is copied to your clipboard, ready to paste. Another handy method is through the chat associated with the meeting. If the meeting already has a chat thread, open the chat section in Teams, select the meeting chat, and look at the top where the meeting information appears. There is often a button there that lets you grab the invitation or copy the join link. Once you've copied the link by any of these methods, just paste it into a message or email and send it. That's all there is to copying a meeting link in Microsoft Teams.